again with yet another wig install. It's like, what else do I do on this channel but wig installs? One day I'm gonna start doing other content, I promise. But today ain't that day. So today we are installing a wig from Beautyforever hair. All the information for this hair will be in the description box below. But today we are installing their 24-inch body wave air net glueless wig. I told y'all that I got y'all when it comes to these glueless wigs, because we know it's summertime, we know we're trying to be in these streets, and we don't have time to be fighting with glue or your wig slipping and sliding. So I'm showing you all the glueless wigs, and it has pre-cut lace. So this is what it looks like. The lace, as you can see, is already cut. The front of the hairline even comes like slightly plucked for you right here in the front. It has two clips on the side here, an elastic band, and then the inside is breathable so that your head don't get hot since it is summertime. And then it also has this this whatever this is around the side that keeps like the wig from slipping off. So we love that. Now this is supposed to be like a throw it on and go type of wig. So it's supposed to be very beginner friendly. So I didn't bleach the knots. I didn't pluck this wig. I didn't do any preparation to this wig, but just take it out the box, right? So I'm gonna show you like how to install this wig and get it looking cute without having to do any of that. So if you're interested, you gotta keep on watching. All right, so in the box, this is the box, it's a little beat up. But they give you one of these strips here, another wig cap, a headband, this is a package of goodies here, which is another wig cap, wig band, lashes, and a makeup brush. So let's go ahead and get into the video. So these are the same little crusty braids that I had in for centuries now that I really need to take out, but I didn't get around to it. So anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and put on this wig cap here. You gotta protect the hair. And then just take my black opal makeup per usual with my makeup brush, and I'm just gonna cover this wig cap. Basically like my prep for all of my wigs are always the same. Well, especially like these kind of wigs, it's always the same. And now I'm just gonna take my lace tint spray here. I'm gonna spray the inside of this wig. So this is what the inside looks like the closure part. You can see how wide it is from side to side. And I'm just spraying it with this. And now it's brown. Woo! Sheesh. And now I'm gonna go ahead and take this elastic band off. If you want to use the elastic band, like I always say, like you definitely can. I just personally don't need it. Like the wig stays on my head without it. So now I'm just gonna slide it on my head. Oops. So I'm just putting in this comb in the back, but I'm not using the combs on the sides. Oh good, and then this one fits behind my ears perfectly. Love that for me. And so this is what the wig looks like when you first put it on. So y'all, if you want to put the wig on like this and head out the door, you absolutely could. Do I recommend it? No, but you can. So I'm just gonna give my head like a little shake. So just to show you all how sturdy it is, it's not going anywhere. Like these wigs are really sturdy. And honestly, that's all for the install process. The rest of this is just styling it, like the hair however you want. Like you can flat iron it, curl it, put it in a ponytail, y'all, do whatever you want, head out the door, throw a hat on it, whatever. So let's go ahead and style this wig. I decided I wanted to do a side part this time, because usually with like these glueless wigs, I'm always doing like a middle part. So I'm like, let me do a cute little side part to see how, you know, a glueless works with a side part. Oh hey, so it's me in voiceover version. So right now I'm just parting my hair to the side, and then I'm going to take my wax stick and my freeze spray and my hot comb and just make it lay flat at the top. right, so now that my part is done, I'm gonna figure out how I want to do my baby hairs. Like, really, since this is the part, I don't need any baby hairs on this side. I really just need them on this side right here. Oops. And now I'm just gonna part my edges like this. No, I'm just gonna cut it like above my eyebrow at an angle like this. And I'm just gonna take this and curl it under. Now I'm taking my Eco Gel, swoop my little baby hairs. I want to cut it just a little bit. I just feel like they a little, like just a little like this. Okay. So now let me style my natural edges. And now we're going to curl this hair. This is just what it looks like though, like before you curl it. If you wanted to wear it like this in its natural state, like you absolutely could, because it's really pretty texture. It's really like thick and fluffy. Like as you can see, like so if you wanna do like the fluffy natural look, you absolutely could, but I'm not. I'm gonna style it and give it some layers and just zhuzh it up a little bit. So that is the back so far. Ooh. And now we're gonna move on to the front. Okay. And now, while this wig band is still on, I'm gonna peel this forward a little bit, and then I'm just gonna put my wax stick right here and my freeze spray and put it along the part too, and just like, you know, define that. I don't know what you call it though. Yee's hot. And now I'm gonna take my fingers and pull the hair apart like this. And now I'm gonna take my scissors and I'm just gonna cut some layers in it. So layers for me are just really most important, like by my face, because this is what shapes your face. So I'm just taking like a small section and I'm taking my hair between like my fingers like this. Whoa, like this. And I'm gonna cut going away from my face, and I cut like that much hair off. And so when I push it back over, it looks like this. And now the last thing that I just want to do, I'm going to take this headband off. Oof. Okay. This is what it's looking like. And remember y'all, this is completely glueless. No glue was used whatsoever. Glueless. 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 Okay. Like I said, this is glueless. And yeah, that is it. This came out cute. It was so fast and simple. Like, I really like this wig, y'all. It's really, really nice. Like, honestly, like the length, it's not heavy at all. This thing is so light. Like, and also it's glueless and I can still swing my head. It's not going anywhere. Like, I just didn't want to mess up my curls, but it's not going nowhere. Like, it's giving and doing everything that it needs to do. All the information for this hair will be in the description box below. But thank you guys so much for watching this video. Adios till next time.